Today, we'll be showing an application for grinding small stainless steel corner welds. Traditionally, these types of applications will be seen in food, beverage, and tank markets. This is a precise application where the finish and appearance of the final piece are very important. The current trend is to use thinner sheet metal and smaller welds, meaning more control and accuracy is required, as there is not a lot of room for error or rework. The welds being ground down in this video are a representative of small TIG welds. This process can work with small TIG welds as well as welds with minimal added material. Traditionally, you may be familiar with starting with an 80 or 120 grit fiber disc to remove the weld and then follow up with a non-woven surface conditioning disc to refine and finish the workpiece. Scotch-Brite provides operators the opportunity to reduce their two-step process down to one single step with the brand new Scotch-Brite Precision Coarse and Extra Coarse discs, as well as our tried and true Scotch-Brite light grinding and blending discs. Beyond small weld grinding, the new Scotch-Brite Extra Coarse and Coarse discs provide a solution for radiusing and finishing applications due to its conformability. The Extra Coarse discs provide high cut rate and durability. The Coarse grade offers a balance of both cut and finish. The Coarse grade is designed to produce a 32 RA finish. Finishing with a Scotch-Brite Precision Coarse disc in one single step provides the burr-free finish seen here compared to that finish that was produced by a conventional aluminum oxide 120 grit disc that will require additional steps to earn the burr-free finish. Scotch-Brite's light grinding and blending discs also offer the ability to reduce steps in your process by grinding and finishing in one step. LGB offers a similar durability to Scotch-Brite Precision discs and are also designed to create a crisp edge profile. Scotch-Brite has the experience and portfolio to support your applications.